5 years ago, I was woken by the sound of a car crashing through the house. It missed me by a metre. This wake-up call prompted me to pursue my passions in health and fitness and become a personal trainer. I specialise in Pilates, stretching and relaxation, cardio zone training, and strength training for speeding up metabolic rates and losing body fat. I believe it's important that my clients get the most out of their workouts. This is my typical Manic Monday morning.
Oh, well done! Come on. Here we go. We go. 3, 4, 5. Jody. 5, 4. Feeling that tummy working? Yeah. How much is it working, Tash? Heaps. And like roam everywhere. Oh.
Alright, there you go.
How much more do you want, Kristen? 5. Make a nice face, Tony. Good. Zigzag. Twist. Good. Keep going. Down. Up. Oh. You're right. Okay, go. I'm motivating. Here we go. Up. Up. Scale of 1 to 10. No.